A very fine good morning students of class 11. So today this is your first class of subject history. So like in class 10 you have it was totally different, like studying about the First World War, about the British Empire, like it was one type of modern history. So today in this class 11 you will learn about, it is totally mixed, actually it is totally mixed history. Like in this history you will learn, the first chapter is also about the early civilization period, and also after that you will learn about the medieval period system. So today I'll be giving you the basic concept about the early civilization period, okay, like the early civilization period, like how the people used to live their life. I will not go thoroughly like introducing of fire or anything. These all are basic concepts which you can understand, and also if it is required, I will be sure I will be explaining you. So today I will be explaining you the main thing, like early civilization. If you think about the early civilization period, so what you understand about the early civilization, basically you will think that people, those who used to not wear the clothes, they used to live their life by eating the raw foods, matlab kacha food, and also how they used to live their life, like they used to live their life hunting, and also like, they used to kill the animals. Their tools were made of stones. Their tools were made up of stones, yes or no? So today in this I'll be explaining you that even in early civilization time also, the early people were also divided into different phases. Like even a culture wise also the people used to live, like जैसे होता है ना, like if you will talk about today, जैसे एक generation type, if you will talk about a generation type, but like early civilization was also divided into different cultures also, like it was a different type of phase of the people. मतलब जैसे जैसे time बढ़ता चला गया वैसे वैसे changes आता चला गया. The situation was like that. So let's move. First of all, early civilization, like it had many culture, but the main two important cultures were Paleolithic culture, and second one was Neolithic culture. Paleolithic culture and Neolithic culture. Even I have written on the board also Paleolithic culture and Neolithic culture. Clear? So what was the difference between Paleolithic and the second one was Neolithic? Like Paleolithic culture, it was the system like the people basically they used to like, दोनों है अर्ली सिविलाइजेशन का ही टाइम का, बट चेंजेस ये था लाइक चेंजेस इन द पीरियड, लाइक डेवलपमेंट होता चला गया विद द चेंजेस इन द मेंटालिटी. मतलब जैसे जैसे चेंजेस मतलब दे स्टार्टेड लुकिंग द चेंजेस, उस हिसाब से उन लोग ने चेंजेस को एक्सेप्ट भी किया, और उस हिसाब से उन लोग ने अपने आप को मतलब अपने आप को दे स्टार्टेड engraving themselves. Clear? So first of all let's discuss about the Paleolithic culture. These are the sub points, you can see these are the sub points, and this is the main point, and these are the sub points. So first of all let's start with the topic, that is Paleolithic culture. In Paleolithic culture, the first sub point was like first of all I'll give you the introduction part of Paleolithic culture. Paleolithic culture, like basically it was not so much developed. The people used to use only the stone tools. Second one, they did not had a proper house, like उनका एक फैमिली भी नहीं होता था. They used to not live in a particular place. Also they used to keep on moving from one place to another only in the search of food. They did not had a proper tools also. मतलब बस एक स्टोन से उसको यूज कर लेना और उसको खत्म कर देना. मतलब उसको यूज करना. ठीक है. द थर्ड थिंग वाज लाइक दे यूज टू नॉट वेयर एनी काइंड ऑफ क्लोथ्स. लाइक दे यूज टू जस्ट कवर देयर मेन पार्ट्स. That's it. And they used to not wear wear the clothes also. And also like their life was totally isolated. Like they used to depend on themselves only, rather than like today's. If you'll compare about today's, like basically the people used to live with, like they cooperate with each other and then they leave. But before it was totally like an isolated life. Clear? So let's come to the topic. First of all, Paleolithic culture. So the first sub point is tools. The tools was only made up of stone. Suppose if you will talk, then this is an axe. हैंड एक्स. क्लियर? दिस इज एन हैंड एक्स. आज के टाइम पे मतलब ये होता है मेटल एंड ये होता है वुड. Yes or no? This is metal and this is wood. But before, in this Paleolithic culture, the people, the early men, they used to make only this upper portion को ही सिर्फ उन लोग बनाते थे स्टोन से. एंड देन दे यूज टू यूज. मतलब उन लोग यहाँ पे कोई लकड़ी या फिर कुछ भी अटैच नहीं करते थे. सो दिस वाज द पार्ट ऑफ टूल्स. क्लियर? द नेक्स्ट वन इज फूड. They used to eat basically raw food. Raw food मतलब कच्चा food. मतलब हॉन्ट किया खाया, जो भी मिला खाया. It was a system like that. Like they did not had a proper food to eat. Like they used to keep on migrating from one place to another only in the search of food. और जहाँ रात हुआ, they used to dig the hole on the ground, and then after that they used to sleep over there only. So food was like basically they used to eat the raw foods also, और जो भी मिलता था वही खाते थे. Next one is dwelling. Dwelling means like they used to live, they used to dig on the ground. मतलब उन लोग dig करते थे ground पे, and after that उस पे stick लगा के, suppose this is a ground. यस तो उन लोग क्या करते थे, इसमें खनते थे. ठीक है, इसमें खन के आफ्टर दैट दे यूज्ड टू पुट स्टिक ऑन इट एंड देन दे यूज्ड टू कवर एंड देन दे यूज्ड टू स्लीप ओवर हियर. So this was one type of dwelling. You will see this one even in your picture also. That is, see here. This one is dwelling. They used to live in this kind of thing. Clear? Next one is clothes. Already I said you in Paleolithic culture the people used to most probably they used to live their life naked. Clear? They used to not wear any kind of clothes. Like they don't know what is the meaning of clothes, what is the use of clothes. They did not know, so that's why they used to live their life in a naked way. So next one is community life. Basically they used to live an isolated life. Means they used to depend on themselves only. They used to be in themselves only, and then they used to live their लाइफ. मतलब कहीं भी हॉन्ट करना भी होता था. देन लाइक आई सेड ना, लाइक उन लोग रात को बेसिकली उन लोग कहीं भी जाते थे, रात हो जाता था, दे यूज्ड टू स्लीप ओवर देयर ओनली. सो उन लोग क्या करते थे, एक स्टोन का उन लोग भाला जैसा बनाते थे, और यहाँ पे जो लाइक एक कुछ पॉइंटेड टाइप का बनाते थे, एंड देन दे यूज्ड टू हॉन्ट विद दैट ओनली. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट वन इज आर्ट एंड कल्चर. पैलेलिथिक कल्चर में उतना ज्यादा ये सिस्टम नहीं था, बट स्टिल द पीपल यूज्ड टू लिव देयर लाइफ ऑन बेसिस ऑफ haunting and making the tools मतलब उसको अच्छे से मतलब टूल्स बना के उसको यूज करते थे एनिमल्स के लिए। मतलब पैलेलिथिक कल्चर में बेसिक थिंग यही है, द पीपल यूज टू लिव देयर लाइफ ओनली ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ हंटिंग, लाइक देयर मेन मोटिव टू लिव, लाइक उनका कोई एक पर्टिकुलर मोटिव नहीं था लाइफ में, जस्ट देयर लिव वाज हंट एंड ईट, हंट एंड ईट, हंट एंड ईट, क्लियर। सो उनका बस मेन मोटिव ये था इन द पैलेलिथिक कल्चर। Next one is Neolithic culture. Neolithic culture, if you compare like Paleolithic culture से अगर Neolithic culture में compare करोगे तो vast difference आया था between Paleolithic and Neolithic. So how it was? Let's come and go through the sub points. First of all, tools. Tools was like now it was more improved, sharp, और उसमें या तो उन लोग bone add कर देते थे, like या तो उसमें bone add कर देते थे या तो लकड़ी, क्लियर। बट इट वॉज ऑफ स्टोन ओनली, कोई मेटल नहीं होता था, स्टोन का ही होता था, बट इट वॉज ऑफ बोन। दे यूज टू अटैच ताकि वो थोड़ा इजी पड़ जाएगा ना पकड़ने में। अब सपोज ये एक स्टोन है एंड सपोज दिस इज एन एक्स फॉर देम। पैलेलिथिक कल्चर में बस यही था, दे यूज टू यूज लाइक दिस, बट इन नियोलिथिक कल्चर they just attached a bone or stick with it, and after that they used to use, clear। Next one, let's come to the next topic, that is food। How they used to, now discovery of fire, कहीं ना कहीं discovery of fire हुआ, like once they were while making the tools जब बना रहे थे तो रब करते समय they just saw the spark in it, और उसकी वजह से they just tried in a सूखा घास, और उस सूखे घास में in a dry grass what happened that उन लोगों light किया fire। So this was the introducing discovery of fire। तो कहीं ना कहीं they started making food they started eating the cooked food, clear। मतलब हॉन्ट करते थे उसको, मतलब कि दोनों सपोज ऐसे लकड़ी लेते थे, दे यूज टू प्रिपेयर विद दिस, इधर फायर जला देते थे एंड देन दे यूज टू कुक द फूड ओवर हियर, clear। So this was the system they brought changes। Did you see the difference between Paleolithic and Neolithic? Paleolithic में लोग कच्चा फूड खाते थे, yes or no? Neolithic में now after discovery of fire they started preparing food for themselves। अब उन लोग कच्चा मीट नहीं खाते, और इसकी वजह से डिफरेंस क्या आया पता है? What was the changes in it? Now the people started having the structure like the human beings। जैसे पहले if you will talk about early civilization, early man, then how their look was like chimpanzees, or you can say like monkey जैसे, yes or no? मतलब कुछ structure features नहीं, दांत भी ढंग से नहीं, but after eating the food also affect your body, you know what, like it helps your jaw and muscles and even your teeth। So like that only what happened कि जब उन लोग पका खाने लगे, so it started bringing changes even in their faces, muscles, jaws, teeth, clear। Next one, dwelling, yes, like now like ऐसे करते थे कि जैसे उन लोग का क्या होता था कि थोड़ा बहुत लाइफ में चेंजेस ये आया कि now they started like उन लोग का this one I'll be explaining you art and culture also। मतलब इसमें क्या होता था कि this one is the extra occupation, like dwelling में ये बोल दो कि like now they started in the changes in the agriculture sector also। मतलब hunting and gathering, hunting के अलावा they started doing for cultivation also, they started doing cultivation, they started in the agriculture system also, they started working hard for the agriculture। मतलब land है उस पे दाना फेंका like a seed or a crop गया उस पे, उसकी वजह से घास उगा। only the thing is that you need to care। अब वो चीज केयर करने के लिए क्या करना है, एक जगह पे रहना है, suppose this is the land, तो उसके जगह पे रहोगे तभी तो उसका केयर करोगे। So this was how they started। Now they had a permanent house, clear। मतलब अब कहीं भी जाए पर रात को उनको घर ही आना है। Next one is clothes। Now what happened that after hunting animals they used to do, उन लोग पहले वो स्किन नहीं होता है एनिमल्स का स्किन को, दे यूज्ड टू जस्ट रिमूव इट, उसको धूप में सन अंडर द सन रेज उसको सुखा के उसके स्किन को अच्छे से पुल करके उसको सुखा के पुल करके देन दे यूज्ड टू वेयर, विच यूज नाउ दे स्टार्टेड फीलिंग चेंजेस इन द क्लाइमेट ऑल्सो, yes or no, like they started feeling changes in the climate, so that's why now they started wearing the clothes also. Clear? Next one, community life. Yes, now they started living in the group, like wherever they used to go, wherever they used to go, like wherever they used to live, wherever they used to go, they used to have an people, they used to have a group of people where they used to cooperate with each other, and also if they had any kind of problem they used to solve. Clear? Next and the last one is art and culture. Beside this the main extra occupation, like I already said you, hunting तो था ही था, साथ में agriculture भी शुरू कर दिया. Next one is you can say for that आर्ट एंड कल्चर में लाइक दे स्टार्टेड मेकिंग पॉटरीज मतलब कि गमला जैसा कुछ बनाना. वाई? ताकि अब एग्रीकल्चर कर रहा है तो कुछ तो स्टोर करने के लिए चाहिए कि नहीं चाहिए, सो दैट्स वाई दे स्टार्टेड मेकिंग ऑफ द मर्ड्स, मतलब वो पॉटर व्हील्स जो होता नहीं होता है जिसपे एक चक्री जैसा होता है, इस पे मट को रख के इसको व्हील को घुमा के नीचे में उसका सपोर्ट रख के उसको अच्छे से घुमा के देन दे यूज्ड टू ब्रिंग द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ pots. So this is what the introducing of pottery wheels. So like this only the changes started coming between the cultures also, like Paleolithic culture I said you in the beginning, like what was the changes after that. Even while explaining the sub points, hope so you understood the differences between the Paleolithic culture and Neolithic culture. So this was just the starting of the class 11 history. Actually it is totally different from class 10. No need to take tension for it. It is totally different, but still it's easy. No need to be so much tensed about it. So just focus on your study. And yes, this was the sub points. With the help of this sub points you understood the differences between Paleolithic and Neolithic. So this was just the beginning. In the next class I will be continuing with the next topic. Thank you.